Let us continue to part number 4. This is part number 5. Next, go to File, New. In this, select the third one, normal.par. Then click on OK. Now, how the part 4 looks like. This is the part 4 drawing. These two drawings belongs to part 4. And once you draw this part 4, it will look like this. The left side diagram is this one, like this. The right side diagram and left side diagram is like this. So you need to draw this using these two views. You have to draw this solid. Let us start with the new part. So after going to File, New Part, we can save this as part number 4. In the same folder, the landing gear, which we have already made for earlier file. Now you can start with the go to Sketch, take the front plane. Now if you see the sketch, here there are two concentric circle, radius 18 and 29. Here two concentric circle, radius 33 and 22. These two centers are separated with a distance of 369. So this much let us draw now. First draw two concentric circle, one circle with radius 29 and another circle of radius 18. Two circles. Now take the line. Okay, before that, dimension this. This is 58, that is double of 29, and this is 36, 2 times of 18, that is radius to diameter. Then go to line. From the center, draw a line of 369. Keep it vertical, then fit it. Now you can draw two concentric circle at the tip of this line, one with radius 33 and another with radius 22. Dimension it. This is 369. This is 66 and this is 44. That means 22 radius, 33 radius, distance is 369. Now you can see a distance of 36 here. With this distance you can draw a tangent here. So zoom this area. Take a line of 18 on both sides, that is half of 36. dimension this. This is 18. This is also 18. Next, from here, take the line command. From the end of this line, draw a tangent to the outside line. You have to see the tangent command, the view. You can get it here like this. Then another tangent from here. Start from below. Draw a tangent like this. Then go to extend next, extend to next. Then remove the trim the unwanted parts. Now the profile is ready. Keep a closed profile. Return. And protrude for 121 distance. Symmetric 121. This is the maximum dimension that you have in this diagram here, 121. Next, you have to make a taper here on both sides and the middle one cut. So for this, 121 minus 106 divided by 2 is 7.5. So you have to select sketch the parallel plane here, parallel to the solid, and in this include this line and draw a random line here. Then make this distance between this and this should be 7.5. Then you can trim the extra line, dimension it as 7.5. Now take the line from the end of this, go to the tip of this and come down. Join here. This should be there on both sides. So you can mirror this entire profile with respect to this middle line. Click, it got mirrored. Then return, cut out, select the two profiles which you have drawn just now. Then right, symmetric, cut it on both sides. Next, one more cut at the center that you need to make. Go to sketch, take the parallel plane. This is the parallel plane. This plane is parallel to the surface or to the body, so that you will get the right view. Now if you see here, this is 54, this is 36, and this is 261. 54, 36, 261. These are the three dimensions you need to draw. So first we will start with the 54. Here, make this edges visible using this, and go to include command and click on this so that that line gets included. Then go to offset, select that line. Okay, I need a offset of offset. Okay, distance of 54 on one side, and then you have to include the other two lines, this line and this in slant line, not the straight one. Then again go to offset. This time, okay, you may need to change this to single if you want single line of offset of 36. Do this on the other side also. Offset, single, this line 36. Okay. Then from bottom, you need to draw one more line here. Just draw a horizontal line and dimension this distance between this and this should be 369. Sorry, 261. Now you can cut these unwanted lines. Then return, cut out, select this. Okay, symmetric cutout, both sides. Okay, done. So this is the end of part number 4.